Sam Shakespeare coming to you live. How's everyone doing today? Happy Monday. It's a new week. All right, well, let me just show you the update on the breakout real quick because I'm not doing anything. All right, so this is the settings you have on your breakout trade, guys. It's up 500 pips now, right? In just 150 trades, 155. All right, overnight it nailed some good pips. So it's the March 9th, right? Here's March 9th. This is where it starts. So 37 pips there, 2 losers, then a 30, a 33, a 31, a 35, a 53. This is all today, okay? And then 3 losers that together don't even take out this one winner. It's only 45 pips there. So it takes out this winner, and then there's still 7, 8 pips left on the winner there. All right, so that was overnight. It's up 512 pips. Not even since when? I mean, when's the first trade taken? February 5th. So we're talking about a month and a day, or a month and a few days. That's that. Now check this one out. That's the 15 pip. See, 15 pip, and then it looks for a target after 30, and you can see it gets a little more than 30 every time. And now look at this one though. This one's up 750 pips in less trades, not 150 trades, 120 trades. Right? And a lot of it though has to do with just this overnight. Look at this overnight, man. 100, because it has a 100 pip target. It probably would have gone further. 100, 100, 100, 3 of them. Because it looks for a 2 column after 40 pips. That way it has to go out there on these fast moving days. It'll do stuff like this. Plus a 50. This is all overnight. Here, where's the ninth start? Right here. Here's the first one. So 2 losers of 20 each, then 100, 100, 100, then 2 more minus 20s, then a 54 and a minus 20. So all these 3, this winner almost takes out all these 3 losers right here. And then you got all this left over. Wow, that's seriousness right there. So that's the 2 breakout setups that are doing the best. I don't even know. There's some more that have been doing good. This one's up. Okay, this one's up 490, but keep in mind it's got a 15 pip and 45. It looks for 45. It's a 3-to-1 risk to reward on this one, and a lot of it was due to here. This is overnight. You know, when you have good days that'll just really take care of you, and then you got to weather storms of a lot of losers. Like we had a lot of losers, I think. Look at this. See, you can get a lot of losers, and it can be frustrating, right? But then one day, like overnight, on a few days, you'll get stuff like this, and it'll take out like a ton of losers at once. So you can see with this setting, a 15 stop 45 target, then look for a roadblock. It doesn't usually. I mean, it has to move really fast to get these. These aren't normal, but they will happen if you leave it open. And you can capture this kind of stuff. But you can see only hitting 30% of the trades. It's just this risk reward. The loss is only 15. The wins are 50 on the average, more than 3-to-1. All right, so these are just things I've got running. I mean, you can adopt. Just know stuff like this. When you have really good risk reward, chances are you're going to hit a lot of losers in a row, and it could be frustrating, like I said. Maybe at 72, I try something on pound yen long on the extended reversal. Right, it's like a reversal. One's above the 2 on the 5. That's good. So the check mark is down here. Being at a 2 column on the extended reversal, I mean, especially 20 pips away from the bottom of the pattern, that does seem like you got to try it. Okay, never mind. It just did it as a snapback on pound yen. So it was so far away, it just didn't even count it as an extended reversal anymore. It's a snapback. It was 25 pips away from the 1 minute with a 2 column roadblock. So you guys might have got that. The 1 minute trend on New Zealand's doing pretty good, up about 5-6 pips. And I'm just going to take it. I don't know. Snapbacks make me nervous. I ain't going to lie. I like the trends. That's why I like this New Zealand. I mean, it'll probably be fine. It'll probably be fine up there. And dollar yen may give us a... No, it needs a 2 column roadblock. Jeffrey took 5 on the snapback. Nice one. I don't know. This New Zealand dollar is not moving like I want it to either. But as long as dollar yen's going down, that's good for New Zealand dollar. So I guess we'll just hang on to New Zealand dollar for now. Just still got the clear roads up to 75. What do we got? Dollar yen. There it is. Dollar yen's doing the snapback now. I like the grid on New Zealand dollar, and dollar yen is really stretched out. So I do like that fact that it is stretched out. I'd like to see some candle closes here, some bullish candle closes on dollar yen and New Zealand dollar for that matter. I'm just gonna close this guy. I don't know. I think I'm gonna close this too. Sorry, I'm just not feeling it. This is nuts. I'd rather be free and clear right now. Hey Kyle, I think it's best for you guys to have 5 pairs, the big 5 I call them. Pound dollar, pound yen, dollar yen, and euro dollar. Those 5. You can get 2 full triads out of them. Pound dollar, pound yen, and euro dollar, yen, and dollar yen. And they all move, they all have tight spreads. When all the testing I've done on the breakouts and all that stuff has only been on those, for example. So even the monster trading, it's just now on the compounding account, I'm throwing it on Aussie dollar and Aussie yen and see how it does. But honestly, you can do just fine with those 5 currency pairs: euro dollar, yen, pound yen, pound dollar. Just that. You can make a living on those pairs. All right, so I don't think there's really a need when you're learning to venture outside that. I think you'll get enough trades this way. But once you understand the triads, then it's easy to add, say, euro pound, and you've already got pound dollar and pound and euro dollar. So euro pound connects that triad. You can start trading euro pound. Or you have Aussie dollar and Aussie yen, then you can bring in a whole new triad with dollar yen. But I only think you really need the big 5, I call them. And honestly, I'm glad I got out of everything. The market's crazy today. Wow. All right, so oh man, snapback long on euro yen. Look at this thing. It's how jumpy it is. I'm going to take some pips. I'm just taking anything I see, guys. I only took 3.5. I mean, it may have worked out for a lot more, and it already has, but on a day like this, I'm just taking it as soon as it turns green. It's like whack-a-mole. As soon as it pops up with a trade, just whack it while it's green. There goes euro yen. Euro yen's starting to pull back up. Oh, that was quick. Holy cow, that's going to stop out breakouts right there. A lot to think about that snapback. Did you see euro yen just jumped 100 pips? Did you see that right there? Wow. What even just happened? Snapback on dollar yen that fast? Oh my gosh, I got to get out of this thing. I'm going to close it. All right. Wow. That's a little unorthodox way to go about it. What happened were these two. I didn't even see those open. They opened and closed. How fast were those? I guess that's one advantage of the VTA right there, because honestly, I don't even know how long those were open for. Let's look at those trades. Holy mackerel. Look at this. It opened 1546.27 and closed 1546. These two trades were open for 10 seconds each. 10 seconds each. I didn't even know this happened. Right? Full position pips, 24 and 17. Unreal. Unreal. So account is up 25% and since February 21st. What's today? March 9th. So we're talking about just a little over 2 weeks. I think I'm going to go make some coffee. The market is just so jumpy right now. I'm going to have to get some coffee and calm down from that. Like I said, I'm glad the target is reached. And then what we'll do, I'll come back. I'm going to make some coffee. I'll come back, and if you want, we'll go over the accounts, what they've been doing, and we'll talk a little bit more about the new updates and this kind of thing.